Hello from Slovenia again. I'm waiting for spring for quite some time. I'm a spring person, I will say. If I would have to decide which time of year is my favorite, is definitely spring, because everything is start bursting and the life is, you can see the life or how can I say. So today I will do one of the basic, I will say, acrylic pouring techniques, and this is a flip cup with silicone oil, so I expect some cells, and I have two balloons here. Maybe I will use them for some dips, I don't know. I mixed my colors with paint art silicone oil, and I added not about 2 drops in 1 ounce of paint, and I have titanium white, of course, and Windsor violet, and quinacridone rose light from Amsterdam. Maybe can show you the consistency. This is my, and I already mixed my silicone oil well, and this is cyan blue by Amsterdam, and emerald green by Amsterdam, and light gold by Amsterdam, and yellowish green by Amsterdam. So I have 10 by 14 inch canvas and 10, 11, 12 kind of ounce cup, and I will add some titanium white on bottom, and then I will layer my paints on top, starting with this Windsor violet and all the other ones. And while I'm doing that, I reached 300,000 subscribers this week, and I want to say thank you. Of course it wouldn't be possible without you, so I'm really thankful and grateful and humbled. Not humbled, why I added this word? Yes, I am. This is one of my qualities too, I think. You know, all of us are different. I just want to share my art with you, with all the bad and the good, you know. I still, after 4 years of pouring, I still enjoy so much playing with fluid paints and creating different things. And like today, sometimes I just want to do the techniques that I started with. I did start it with these flip cups because I was fascinated by those cells, and of course I was inspired at my beginnings by Anne-Marie Riedelhoff. I miss her pours. Anne-Marie, love you. And of course Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. I watched all the videos, and Julie from Pouring Your Heart Out. So if I would say where I learned at the beginning of my journey, mostly about the flip cups from them. Back then, you know, now they do a lot of different things too, but those were my go-to channels when I started. with this technique. And I'm still not... Oh, and I forgot. Later on, Jelly Cube. Jelly Cubes, flip cups and balloon dips. Okay, I'm still kind of, I don't know, not quite sure if I'm good at it, but I love them. So I have only one cup and I want to flip it like, you know, just down, because I want to have a vertical look of my canvas, kind of, I don't know, because maybe, you know, if it will be like that, I will be able to create some cool dips maybe, but for the flipping part I will do that. Want to have this on the bottom, but now it is what it is. And probably I shouldn't have had this on these corners neither, so I will just pour a little white around here because I want to tilt that off. Okay, I will just tilt this a little bit, and then I will torch and tilt again, just to spread this a little bit. And I don't like this bottom part at all, so I will go over this part. And now I will torch a little bit for bigger cells maybe, and then some lighter ones, I don't know. Don't want too much cells, so I'm torching from up high in the circles. Okay, enough for now. And now I will walk this and then I can as my canvas is covered now, I definitely don't like this bottom part, so let's walk. Don't like this big cell here. They did get a little wonky. down again. Let's see. I will probably play with the balloon, but first I will tilt a little, torch a little more, or just a little more cells here in these parts. I got a caterpillar, can already see here. So let's wait a second. Not sure about this part neither. There's too much that green, I think. Hope that I will not overstretch this totally. Just want to tilt a little bit of this off. But I want to keep some of those cells if I can. Maybe it will not be a vertical. I was kind of like it that way now. This cell is so beautiful. I will just dip a little bit. Here. And wipe it off. Here it is. I just want to show you this cell if I can, because it has all the colors in this little cell. See? So cute. And I love this balloon dip here. Those cells are so cool too. And I love those little ones. Here I did got some caterpillars, but it's okay. I would do it a little differently next time, because I did lose quite some of the nice background, I will say, but I love it anyway. So hopefully spring will come soon. Have a nice weekend and see you on the next one. Bye.